Thomas and Friends. Gordon's Shortcut. One day at Knapford Station, Stanley arrived late with passengers for Gordon's Express. "I'm sorry, Gordon," puffed Stanley. "I took a shortcut and got lost." "I never get lost," huffed Gordon proudly. "I know Sodor Railway better than anyone." Gordon steamed quickly away with the express. He needed to make up time. But at the junction ahead the signal was down. Gordon didn't want to wait. "Thanks to Stanley, I'll have to take a shortcut," he huffed. Gordon steamed under bridges and down tracks he'd never been down before. He was worried his shortcut was taking too long. After a while he stopped. "Help!" he called. "I'm lost!" Suddenly Stanley came chuffing towards him. Gordon whistled. "Poop, poop! Stop, Stanley!" "I'm sorry I boasted," said Gordon. "I won't take a shortcut again." "Follow me, Gordon," said Stanley kindly, and he led Gordon home. Now Gordon and Stanley are the best of friends, and they never take shortcuts.